Brilliant review. My honest user experience with Brilliantorg, is it worth it? If you've ever wanted to truly understand math, science, or computer concepts, not just memorize them, then you've probably heard of Brilliantorg. But does it really make learning fun and effective? Here's my honest review. After using it for several months, Brilliant stands out because it focuses on interactive, hands-on learning. Instead of reading long explanations, you solve real problems and get instant feedback. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another online course site. But Brilliant's step-by-step challenges actually train you to think critically, like a real scientist or engineer. I explored topics from data science to logic and physics, and the lessons felt surprisingly engaging. The visual explanations and bite-sized exercises made even tough subjects approachable. Another thing I loved was flexibility. You can learn on your phone or desktop, picking up right where you left off. There is no pressure, just genuine curiosity-driven learning. The downside? It's best suited for self-motivated learners. If you need structured grading or certification, this isn't the platform for you. But if you love learning for the sake of mastery and want to strengthen your analytical thinking, Brilliant is absolutely worth it. It's not just education, it's a mindset shift toward understanding how the world works.